My name is Jacob Jennings, and I'm a senior undergraduate in computer science at the University of Missouri. And I'd like to propose an idea which I think fits the dynamic nature of this new device very well. The world of DJing has gone digital, and for good reason. Computer-aided beat matching and DSP effects have provided DJs with the tools to create mashups with more creative freedom than ever. As an amateur DJ, however, it's difficult to achieve seamless mixing without the addition of expensive control surfaces such as turntables and multi-purpose hardware like this. I resorted to using my MIDI controller keyboard with labels and masking tape. It's quite a mess, actually. But even the addition of this controller keyboard didn't quite cut it, although it did fit my budget. But with an adaptive input device such as this, however, we can shrink down these controls into an intuitive and visually responsive interface, which will allow anyone who owns a device to delve into the world of amateur DJing without the need to purchase additional hardware. One of the most popular computer DJ platforms is called Mix. It's an open source software, and it's a very mature project. It's very popular. Here's a quick demo to give you an idea of how this all works.
We got vinyl operating, scratching. Hold it down to reset into the center. You can adjust gain of the track by holding down the current mode button and using the gain slider. You can see I'm moving the gain knob on the screen. Obviously we want to get it close to peaking without actually peaking when it's loud. Anyway, I can't tell you. But we can also reset the pitch by holding down the current mode button and hitting the pitch slider. I'll do that here in a second when it sounds cool. We can control effects. Got reverse here. We've got flanger. With this button. Regular vinyl mode can adjust pitch percentage too. I've got it defaulted to I think it's 8, 12, 50, 8 with the pitch off, 12 with it blue, 50 with purple, and 100 with red at the moment. You can change all those in scripts if you like. Automatic reactions too. If I wiggle it on the screen, it changes on the controller too, as you can see.
I was very excited to find out that Mix is built upon the Qt platform in C++, which is a development platform that I have extensive experience working with. I used Qt for a client for my research project 2 summers ago, Geographic Virtual Networks, and for my 2-semester capstone project, which was a wireless engine diagnostic unit which logged and graphed sensor data received from a microcontroller platform on a motor vehicle. I've already started familiarizing myself with the source code of Mix, and I think that working with the source code of the software will allow me to more intimately interface with its functionality to provide a more interactive experience for the user. And I think this idea serves as a good example of how an adaptive user interface can expand the horizons of what the average user can do with their PC. And I think that my experience with music and with this specific development platform will allow me to create a fun working demo within this short amount of time that we have. So thank you for your consideration.